Welcome back to the channel's YouTube friends. My name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. As you saw in the previous video, we did a review of the curtain device, the motion protect curtain device from Ajax Systems. All right. This is the indoor version. Now in today's video, I'd like to show you another version which is rated for outdoor use, which is the dual curtain device here. Okay, this is a very advanced device, and as you will see later, there's a lot of settings that you can adjust using buttons at the back of the device. If I open the back plate like this, you see there's an adjustment for if you want to detect or not objects near the two sensors. All right, there's also an angle setting that you can adjust. For instance, let's say around your house, if you have a chimney, for instance, or something is blocking the view a little bit, you can adjust up to 3 degrees, to basically move the beam a bit away from the wall or the perimeter around the house. Okay, so we'll have a look at this. All right, and then also there's an adjustment for the distance of detection. So if you want to make it near, which is the default settings, or you can adjust it to go very, very far. All right. Again, this is an outdoor rated device, all right, and has two beams so you can detect left and right. Okay. So now let's have a look on how we can connect this dual curtain device to the AJAX application using your mobile phone. All right, like this. So from the main menu, you want to click on Add Device. Let's give this a name. So sorry about that. Oh, all right, so let's scan the QR code. Make sure your phone allows access to the camera for the AJAX app. Right? We click on Add Device, press the power button a little bit. Already connected. Okay. So now we can close the back plate like this. All right. So let's have a look at the settings of the dual curtain device. Okay. So from the app, make sure the system is disarmed, otherwise you cannot enter programming mode. We go to the settings page. Okay. So just like other motion detection devices, there's the entry and exit delay settings that you have. The ability to arm this device in night mode, which is typically turned on for most sites. Okay, so when you arm the system at night in night mode, then your perimeter is protected. Okay, and also you have settings for the left side. Okay, so you can change the sensitivity or even disable it for some reason. Okay, and you have again the same settings for the right side. Okay, so also for the siren activation, you can define if only one side is triggering the siren or both sides. If also for the mass detection. Okay, so you really have like two devices in one. You can really make the left side and the right side react differently based on the size of the building, on where the device is installed outside the perimeter. Okay, now let's have a look at what happens when we trigger alarms with this device. You'll see that we can have notifications left to right for motion detection, and also if someone is blocking the sensor completely, then you have the blocking left or right event, and a restore all if the block is removed. Okay, so for this demo, what I want to do is make it so the device detects nearby objects. Okay, so I'm going to flip this here for the left and right detectors. Okay, and we will close the back plate like this. Now, from the mobile app, from the main page, you go to Control, right, and then you want to press the arm button. Okay, now that I close the back plate, it takes a few seconds for the device to come back to normal. I'm receiving the event saying that the lid has been closed. Okay, so now the system is armed. Let me just close the app like this. Now I have the motion detection notification. Okay, it says the left side. Okay, and we should be able to trigger the same type of detection on the left side, or sorry, the right side, because I'm turned around. right? So basically, as I said before, you have adjustments for the left and the right side. By default, the blocking detection is turned on as well. So if someone is, spraying paint on it or simply masking it with any material, then you're going to have an alarm and you're going to know which side is being blocked or which side has triggered motion detection. Okay. Again, this was our review of the DualCurtain device from Ajax Systems. Okay. Let's disarm the system here. Okay. If you are interested in the indoor version, we've done a video a week ago about this device as well. That's the indoor version of it. Okay, it is a single curtain device. All right. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or requests for future videos, please let us know down below, and we'll answer you quickly. Again, my name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. Thanks for watching.